So you think you know it all? Well, here are 7 natural hair tips that you should know by now that you probably don't. Hi lovelies, welcome to my channel. My name is Chinwe Juliet and today I'll be sharing natural hair tips about 7 things all naturals should know by now but probably don't. So make sure you watch to the end to find out what might be affecting your natural hair growth through your natural hair care routine. Alright, before we begin, I just want to let you know that I've written a book on 50 tips and tricks that can help you grow your natural hair faster and longer, and if you would like to purchase it, you can find the link down below in the description box or pinned in the comment section. Alright, so my first tip that you should know by now but you don't is, did you know that hot oil treatments and pre-shampoo treatments are not the same? What you need to know is that the main difference between a hot oil treatment and a pre-shampoo treatment is that hot oil treatments are done after you shampoo, not before you shampoo. And they're done as an intensive treatment that you can do before you deep condition or if you don't want to deep condition at all. So I bet you probably didn't know that, did you? Another thing you need to know is hot oil treatments are exclusively made of just oils, but with pre-shampoo treatments, it could be a mix of conditioners or just warmed up conditioners with DIY and oils. It's pretty much do whatever you like as a pre-shampoo treatment. So they're not exactly the same thing. However, it's actually up to you to choose whatever works for you, and it is not a must do in your natural hair care routine. However, it's like an icing on the cake. If you wanted to give your hair that extra treatment, then you can do either or both of them. Another thing that you may not know is that you are supposed to wash your hair with warm water, not hot water. Always make sure that you begin your shampoo process with warm water first. So warm water gently lifts your hair cuticles to remove any product buildup, as opposed to hot water. Hot water aggressively lifts your hair cuticles, which leads to drier hair and a much more drier scalp. My tip number 3 is, when you're using your shampoo, always apply and distribute it to your scalp first. I have a whole video on this, so in case if you want to know more about how to shampoo correctly, I have a video on this on my channel. But always make sure that the first application of shampoo to your scalp is to make sure that you lift the oils, the dirt and the product buildup from your scalp. While your hair is being rinsed, the length of your hair will then be cleansed as the shampoo is running down it. So another tip that you may not know is, always make sure to rinse out all the conditioner that you apply to your hair, because leftover conditioner leaves a film-like coating on the scalp, which can look like dandruff and cause your hair to look really dull and dry. Another tip to note is, regular conditioners are not the same as deep conditioners, and the major difference is that instant conditioners, which are regular conditioners, have ingredients that are too large to penetrate into the hair shaft no matter how much heat is used. So always make sure that you buy products that are specifically made as deep conditioners. My number 6 tip that you may not know is, if you're planning on wearing your hair in a set hairstyle, just like a twist out or a braid out or even a flexi rod set, then style your natural hair while it's wet. However, if you want your natural hair to have less shrinkage and look a lot more stretched, then style your natural hair on damp hair. So before my final tip, I just want to let you know once again that I've written a book on 50 tips and tricks to grow your natural hair faster and longer. So please do support by purchasing the book to help you on your hair journeys, and you can always email me with your reviews, with your thoughts, with your comments and with your questions. You can also be part of my mailing list, which I directly answer generally everyone's hair questions to help many others. So the links will be down in the description box below and also pinned in the comment section as well. So yeah, so my final tip is this: if you're going to use a ponytail holder to style your hair in any way, make sure that you oil it first to prevent friction and to prevent it from pulling on your strands. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Just always make sure to live well, you live great, and you pray always. God loves you. God bless you. Take care, lovelies. Bye. Bye.